everyone, welcome to my channel. This is DEG 5G transformation. Yes, this is the continuation of the bridal hair, the traditional bridal hair. This hair is Nigeria Benin traditional bridal hair. Yes, if you want to know how I achieve this Okuku, we call this hair Okuku. If you want to know how I achieve this Okuku, the video is there on my channel. Guys, go and watch this step by step how I achieve this Okuku, this traditional hair is there. The video is there on my channel. Go and watch, go and see. I have many interesting videos on my YouTube channel. If today is your first time you are stopping by, you are welcome. Thanks to all my subscribers and the video and the people that watch my videos always. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be the first to see the video. Thank you guys, and don't forget to leave your comment down below for me. What do you think, guys? This hair, this Okuku hair, and this makeup transformation step by step. Guys, after you watch this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, and if you have anything you want to say, just leave the comment for me. Drop it for me. Thank you guys. Follow me on my Facebook, follow me on my Instagram. I am DEG 5G transformation. Thank you. Call me on your ceremony or event, makeup, gele, bridal hair for the white wedding, traditional hair for the traditional wedding. Contact me for your makeup product. I sell makeup product. I sell perfume. Yes, guys, contact me. My number is there. Thank you, guys. Please don't be in a rush. Watch this video till the end and drop your comment for me. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.
to